Hello everyone, doing the series. This time it's going to be custom knits. This is on rodeo paper, and this one is Extreme. By Knit Grinder. Turn it upside down and you get it. This is actually a rod, bold. See, he's got his little, turn it upside down and it's an architect. Pin his thigh. Woodshed Pinko. Oh, goodness gracious that everyone's got to make noise. Ink, Van Demons. Here's the long name. Let's see if I can get it all. Black, Tone, Spider, Orchid. Think that was easy? Was not. That's, not too sure this is almost out of, there it is. Semi-dry. Let's do it this way. And that one isn't. That's the fine. This is the rod. Nope. Okay, I can do it this way. It's a lot of fun playing with this. I actually bought this ink for Halloween. I think, how can you not? Black Tongue Spider Orchid. How can you not say that? Keep that. Well, I don't keep it just there. And here's what I have so far. It's only 2 pins this time. Sometimes I do 2, sometimes I do 3. And this one here is called Facets. Let me bring it up. You can see the 2 pins also on the side. And let me show you the white shed. See how I can write on the rehearse. It's not writing on rehearse. Okay, this is Facets. By Toronto Pinko. This is a wood. No, it's not wood. It's Taylor Pin Company. Really messed that up, didn't I? Herburn. This is the Liu. And I'm just going to spell this. No one wants to listen to me slaughter a name. So, straight up. Slight angle. See how the statter's getting? Down a little more. Ooh. Now, to the left. Up. Down. Isn't that gorgeous? Right side. Sometimes you can, it's not the pin's fault, it's Jane. You know, I'll tell you if it's a pin, I'll tell you that. Straight up. Down a bit. Should have done this all at the same time. But I did not. Down a bit more. I gotta do backwards. I've gotten 9 different ones so far. You can see sometimes the up and down is thinner, and then, yeah, you see it. Interesting, huh? And let's do upside down. So that's the Facets nib. I put it in with the Milky Ocean. And it's got the center is not, so it's really easy. Yeah, I hurt myself. Got to keep out and playing with inks. Isn't it gorgeous? I do like semi transparent. I'm getting away from the transparent. We do all change, don't we? But yeah, so let me bring this out so you can see. And I start straight up, and that's the reverse. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Maybe it's the reverse. I can get another angle. Let me see. Sometimes you can. Yep. It's drier. At least with this ink, each ink is different. So there's 9 different ones, 9 different sizes. Oh, jeez. Oh, I didn't do the comparison. Let's do that. Well, that sort of is. I'll just do it straight. I wasn't supposed to do that, was I? And you can see, well, some are close to, but the difference is when you do this one's like a fine and that's like a medium to a rod. So that's what the difference is it's also like this is all rods. These are super fine, so they are different. It's fun. I do enjoy playing with them. I can highly recommend this nib. I can recommend the other one, the Extreme Predator. I usually write the architect side. That's what I like. There again, that's all me. Wasn't quite touching. I was going really. Thing is, yeah, this one here you can see. And more feedback, but not horrible. Guarantee I tell you. Of course, I was architect, not side. Yeah, I had to try and say that. You know how that goes. Anyways, thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. Questions, comments, please. I'll answer if I can. Have a wonderful day.